Hey guys, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who That Teacher, and I am back to teach you another line dance. How y'all guys doing? If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in dancing along to this instructional, I'll post the video at the end. Guys, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience. Registration is still open July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go. So guys, this dance is a two-wall dance, and it's I'm sorry. It's a one-wall dance and only two parts. That's it. One wall, two parts. Part one. Okay, you're gonna walk with the right to the right. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so when I go to the right, I'm gonna do a triple step. Right, left, right, left, right. And when I turn, so I'm going to turn on that triple to go in the opposite direction. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. And on going to the left, that triple is going to take me back here. So I can go into my hood walk on my pony, which is right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? So far, we're doing a walk to the right with the triple step and just doing a slight turn to go into that opposite direction. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And then we're going to do an easy half. Right, left, coaster, tap. Okay? So the right shoulder come back. Right, left, tap. Coaster, tap. Easy half. Right, left, right. My right heel is up. The same thing I did at the front wall, I'm going to do at the back wall. Walk to my right with that turn, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, left, right, and left. Easy. Right, left, coaster, tap. That's it. That's part one. Part one, you're doing it twice on the front and back wall. And just remember, when you go to the right, left, right. So that shoulder comes slightly forward. So you're not going to go like right, left, right. You don't have to do that. Just a slight turn to get you ready to go into that opposite direction. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. So straighten it up here so you can go into the hood walk or the pony. Right, left, left, easy half. Right, left, coaster tap. Right, left, tap. Okay? So you do that at the front and the back wall. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's move forward. So that's part one, part two. So we do part one and part two on the front and back wall. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7. Walk right. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, half. Right, left, coaster, tap. Right, left, coaster, tap. Right, left, tap. That's a coaster tap. Okay, do it again. 5, 6, 7, 10. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, coaster, tap. Part two, step sailor. So this dance have no tags, no bridges, no changes. You do part one, front and back wall, then you're going to do part two. And part two, you're going to do it twice, but it's just on the front wall. You do a step, sailor, rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. So moving it up with your step sailor, and you're rocking it for 4. Step sailor on the right, Step sail on the left and rock for 4. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left, right, right, left. From here, walk back 4 times. Right, left. Then you're going to drunken sailor or travel up. Right, left, tap. Again. So you walk back for 4, okay? Then you go up. Right, left, tap. That's it. That's the part. So let's put it together. A step sail on the right, a step sail on the left, rock for 4, right, left. Walk back for 4, right, left, travel forward or drunken sailor. Right, left, tap. Okay, and you do that twice. Start over again. Let's start with the step sailor. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk back, 1, 2, 3, 4, travel, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. That's it. Then you do it again, step sailor again. Yes, at this wall. So part 2 will be done twice at the front wall. 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, and 8, 21, and 2, 3, and 4, easy at 5, 6, 7, and 8, walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, and 8, 21, and 2, 3, and 4, easy 5, 6, 7, and 8, you walk again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, and 8, 21, and 2, 3, and 4, easy 5, 6, 7, and 8, walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, and 8, it's 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, part 2, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, travel 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, walk back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, that's the dance. Clearly, nice and easy, nothing hard, no bridge, no tags, okay? Remember, our post, we can dance together. Let's dance together. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher, and I'll see you in the next video.